Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to set privacy that who can see your reels on Facebook application, because sometimes we want to watch our reels to public friends or specific friends. So in this video I will show you how to set privacy on the reels. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Facebook application. So after opening the Facebook application, so here you can see three lines on the top right corner. So after this click on setting and privacy, and then click on setting. So after click on setting, and then scroll down, and when you will scroll down, so here you can see your reels. So click on it, and then here you can see the options of who can see your reels. So click on it, and here you can see the options of friends or friends accept. So if you want to keep public, so here you can select public. So if you want to show your reels to your friends, so select here friends. So if you want to hide some specific friends, so here you can select your friends from which you want to hide your reels. So for example, I want to hide reels of these friends. So after click on then select done options, so it's save. So guys, in this way you can set privacy that who can see your reels on the Facebook application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.